Hey, want to know the secret sauce for making your videos pop? It's all about those sweet sounds and slick transitions. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a pro editor or break the bank on fancy software. Introducing Submagic, the AI-powered game changer. This bad boy automatically suggests killer sound effects that match your footage and applies smooth transitions like a boss. We're talking next-level engagement with just a few clicks. Imagine turning your ordinary clips into eye-catching, professional content that keeps viewers glued to the screen. So if you're ready to make your videos unforgettable and have your audience coming back for more, it's time to give Submagic a spin. Trust me, your content will thank you.